Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a awesome video, guys. It's great opportunity to make money, guys. Okay, so nowadays everyone know that everybody is watching YouTube videos daily and spending a lot of time in YouTube, guys. Okay, do you know by watching YouTube videos you can make money? It's very simple method, guys. It's a new trick. Today I'm gonna share that one, guys. Okay, most of the time you guys are watching YouTube videos, so just by watching your favorite videos itself you can make money, guys. Okay, this is very simple step, guys. Follow the procedure. You can make daily 3,000 rupees easily, guys, by watching YouTube videos, guys. Most probably everybody will watch YouTube videos minimum 30 minutes per day. Minimum 30 minutes per day, most of the people will watch YouTube videos, guys. Okay, so you can earn that much money daily. Okay, you are spending 30 minutes in your YouTube, right? That 30 minutes you can earn some money by watching YouTube videos, guys. Okay, this is great opportunity, guys. Don't miss it, anyone. Just follow the instruction. You can earn daily 3,000 rupees without any investment, guys. Okay, you can earn 3,000 rupees, guys. Okay, more than $40 you can earn every day, guys. Okay, just simple trick, guys. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so guys, first of all you should open the YouTube, guys. Okay, YouTube, any video. Okay, not only your channel video or any video in YouTube, you can click on any videos, guys. Okay, in YouTube you can click any videos. Okay, in any videos you can click. I'm just clicking my channel video, one of my channel video. I'm just clicking and copying, guys. Okay, share. Okay, in YouTube you can copy any video, guys. Okay, click on one video. Okay, click on one video and here is a share button is there, share button. Okay, so click on that share button, guys. Okay, click on that share button, so there will be a lot of options to copy this, copy or share will come, guys. Okay, here you should do copy link. That's the only thing here you can do in your YouTube, guys. Okay, click on copy link. That's it, guys. Okay, you copied, right? Just come back. That's it. In YouTube you don't want to do anything, guys. Just copy any video in YouTube. Okay, any video. It's not only your channel video or any video in YouTube. You can just copy the link and come back, guys. Okay, come back. Then app link will be, I will be given in the description. Just okay, this is a description, guys. Description link. Just click on that link, guys. Okay, https uii.io, guys. This is the link. Just click on that. Okay, click on that and open it in Chrome browser, guys. Okay, so this is a page, guys. Okay, so give desktop text or whatever it is. I'll give desktop site, guys. Okay, so this is the home page. You can make money daily by watching YouTube videos, guys. Okay, so here lot of options they are given, guys. Okay, so here you can see payment proof. Click on the payment proof, so you can see how much every people earning daily and total how much all the people are earning, guys. Okay, you can see daily, guys. See here every people earning $13.1, $11, $109, $7, $160. A lot of people earning, guys. Okay, this is the payment proof, guys. Okay, how you can start your earning means just sign up for free, guys. Okay, click on sign up for free, so this page will open, guys. Okay, this page will open. So here you have to give a username, guys. Okay, so I will give the username myself and I will give the email ID of myself and then I will share the password, guys. Okay, then I will give the password. Okay, just give your password as a strong password. Whatever your password you can give it, guys. Okay, so I return the password. Click on I agree. Okay, then click on register, guys. Okay, if you click on register it will open, guys. Okay, so it is coming, the password is not same, so once again give the password correctly, guys. Okay, once again give the password correctly. Okay, so I given the password, then click on register, guys. Okay, click on register. So the next page will be open. Your account is created, so I save my account and password, guys. Okay, so here I'll log in, guys. Okay, here I will log in, so automatically it will come here. I'm login and click on I'm not a robot. Okay, so click on this captcha. Okay, so taxis where is there, click on that one. Okay, then verify it, guys. Okay, so boards they are asking, so boards where it is, yeah, click on boards and verify, guys. Okay, if you verified you are not robot, okay, fine, then sign in, guys. Okay, click on sign in. Okay, once you click on sign in, the home page, dashboard page will open, guys. Okay, this is the page you can earn lot of money daily by watching your videos, guys. Okay, this is great opportunity. Without investment you can earn lot of money, so don't miss this, guys. Okay, just earn daily more than $40, guys, every day, guys. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay, so come back. Okay, so click on settings. Okay, so a lot of things will be there. Click on profile, click on settings and click on profile, guys. Okay, here you have to update your all details, guys. Okay, then only you can able to withdraw, guys. Here you have to update all your details like your name, address, zip code, phone number, wallet method, everything you have to address, everything you have to submit, then only you can withdraw, guys. Okay, then click on statics, guys. Okay, click on statics. So finally you should give all your details, then only you can able to withdraw. Okay, guys, so after filling all your details, here there is an option new shorten link. Okay, click on that new shorten link, guys. Okay, if you click on this new shorten link, it will open here, guys. Okay, so first of all you copied a YouTube video, guys. Okay, you all know that. First of all you copied a YouTube video, you know that URL, YouTube URL, you should paste here, guys. Okay, you just paste here and just click on shorten. Okay, here is the option shorten, just click on shorten, guys. Okay, so you will be getting a link, guys. This is the link. Okay, shorten. Okay, this is the link. Okay, so this is the link. Okay, it went again. You click on new shorten link, it will open. Yeah, this is the link you have given from the YouTube video. And okay, so you got a link from here, from this website, guys. Okay, so just copy this link, guys. Okay, just copy this link. Okay, click on copy and then come back, then you can share it anywhere, guys. Okay, like in Telegram or wherever you want, you can share it, guys. Okay, so wherever you want you can share this one. Okay, this video. Okay, so from that website you are copying a URL video link from YouTube and you are pasting in the website. So the website is giving another one link, guys. Okay, so you have to paste that one. Okay, you have to paste that into some other anywhere like Telegram or WhatsApp or anywhere you can share, guys. Okay, so if you are sharing, okay, finally you copied that link and came back, guys. Okay, right now you can share this link to anybody, guys. So right now you can share this link to anybody. So if you are sharing, okay, this is copied. Okay, just copy this link and you can share it anyone, guys. Okay, share it anyone, like any people you can share it, guys. Okay, if you are sharing, like I'm sharing in the channel, WhatsApp channel, guys. Okay, so if you are sharing, you know, anybody, our friends or any people outside from outside, if they are watching this video, you will be get paid, guys. Okay, you will be get paid. Okay, every time people watch this video, okay, every time the people will watch your video, you will be get paid, guys. Okay, so like that, every time people watch your video, okay, you shared a link, right? Every time like this you can take any video. Okay, you can take like this, like prank video, motivational video, like any video, like your channel or any other channel, guys, any other channel, whatever people like video. Okay, whatever the people like that video, you can click on copy and paste it in the website and click on the link from the website and you can send it to anyone, guys. Okay, you can send to anyone. So every one by one, for every people watching that video, you will be getting paid, guys. Okay, so come back to the website. This is the website, guys. Okay, so go to home page. This is the uiva.io. This is the home page. Go to dashboard. So finally we can see how much withdraw we can take. Okay, here is a withdraw option is here. Click on the withdraw option. Okay, here is the withdraw option. Okay, here are the details they are given, guys. Okay, when your account reaches the minimum amount or more, you can request for earning by clicking the above button, guys. Okay, you can make withdraw, guys. Okay, So first of all you have to give all your proof method, all your details you have to fill it, then you can make withdraw guys. Okay, so payment everything we can made by Paytm wallet. By Paytm wallet you can make it guys. Okay, so everything details, proof, everything I'll share in the next videos. So those who want to make money by watching YouTube videos, just do this guys. Okay, this will suitable for you. Every day you can earn $40 to $50 guys. Okay, this will be awesome one guys. Okay, whatever videos you like or your people like, okay, you just copy that link video and paste it in the website and click on the website link, website video link, and you share with anyone guys. Okay, every people those who watch this video, and you will get paid guys. Okay, and minimum withdrawal will be here $50, and I will share the proofs in the next video guys. Minimum will be withdrawal will be $50. Here I am also a new person, so just this account is also new account, so the withdrawal is not showing guys. Okay, so from the next video I will share the proofs, everything guys. Okay, so don't miss this guys. Every day you can earn $50 minimum guys. Okay, every day, because you all guys are spending lot of time in YouTube guys, so you can make money easily guys, easily, very easily. So just make money and share your proof in comment section guys. Thank you so much guys. Okay, thank you so much. I will share the details and proof in the next video guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.